Before answering the question in reality, we must understand what destiny is and from where it comes in. Destiny is believed to be something what is written on our forehead, in our hands, on our feet, on our face, and according to which our life moves. And specifically in a common terms, if you want to explain the destiny, you will say something what is not in your control. So actually destiny is not something what is not in control. Destiny is, in Sanskrit it is called prarabdha, and it gets formed by whatever you have done in your previous 7 lives. According to that, your prarabdha gets formed. And how prarabdha gets formed? It gets formed by our ancient actions, our ancient deeds. We call that word in Sanskrit karma. So our karma has formed the destiny. Our karma can also remove the destiny. Mostly we always say that we are able to suffer them. But it's not only suffering, it is also enjoying. Suffering and enjoying, they go together. If you have done some karma which you believed that you have done good one, then you will enjoy their fruits, their benefits. And if you think that you have done something which was not good one, the adverse one, and then you will start suffering today. Okay. So, but when good times comes in, we human are very smart, When good time comes in, our ego also comes in. And what is that ego? I am doing it. God, I don't know who is he. Source, what? Source doesn't exist. Then any good time like you are enjoying, then you say you are enjoying because you are doing something right in the present moment. And the moment you start suffering, then it is never you. Then God has given me this. My destiny, I don't know how Creator has written that I am suffering from this. But remember your own life. Karmas are like your bank account. And how the bank account is? Today I have deposited $200. They are available $200. Tomorrow I have again deposited 200, they became 400. And day after tomorrow I have taken out 350 and then they became only 50. Now this sum result is 50, but that is how it doesn't happen in our life. In the principle of karmas, it doesn't happen that I enjoy 50 and matter ends. It happens exactly like you have deposited and you have spent.